To hide a Shopify page and make it private, you need to understand the basics of Shopify's page visibility settings. Shopify allows you to create various types of pages, including product pages, collection pages, and content pages, and you can control the visibility of each page. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the page you want to hide. This could be a product page, a blog post, or any other type of content page. Once you are on the page, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the page and select Edit Page. In the page editor, scroll down to the Page Settings section. Here, you will find the visibility settings for the page. By default, the page is set to visible, which means it is publicly accessible to anyone who knows the page URL. To hide the page and make it private, click on the Visibility drop-down menu and select Hidden. This will remove the page from your store's navigation menu and make it inaccessible to the public. However, note that the page is still accessible if someone knows the direct URL. To make the page completely private and inaccessible, you need to add a password protection. To do this, click on the Add Password Protection link below the visibility settings. Enter a password and confirm it, then click Save. Now, when someone tries to access the page, they will be prompted to enter the password. If they enter the correct password, they will be able to view the page. If they enter an incorrect password, they will see an error message. It is essential to note that hiding a page does not remove it from search engine results. If you want to prevent search engines from indexing the page, you need to add a meta tag to the page header. To do this, click on the Edit Website SEO link at the bottom of the Page Settings section. Then add the meta tag to the page header. In conclusion, hiding a Shopify page and making it private involves changing the page visibility settings, adding password protection, and preventing search engines from indexing the page. By following these steps, you can control who can access your Shopify pages and protect sensitive information.